My friend Lachlan just got this Maggie tech deck from PW and he's really excited. He's opening it and he just left the room. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in the fridge and see if he notices. There it goes. Bye Maggie.
I remember playing that.
Oh, what's that, Brian?
It's the Maggie TikTok.
Oh, is it all good? It's been a couple hours.
It's fucking cracked.
Wait, let me see. Where's the cracks?
Fucking ruined it.
Oh, fuck. Oh, are you all good? So I put my friend Lachlan's Maggie Tech Deck in the fridge and now he's really upset with me. We'll let you guys know in the next video if he's forgiven me or not. So, thanks ballers. Check out this new beat by Lachlan.
Hey guys, it's Trevor Fitzgerald here. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but we recently I recently was attacked again in a tiger enclosure. As you can see, my keloid scar has developed. I have insomnia now from the PTSD. I can't get to sleep. However, my managers, Baller and Blog, have informed me it's a really special someone's birthday today. So I just wanted to say happy birthday to Keed from the Krangles. Sorry, happy birthday to Keed from the Krungles. Now, you may be saying, why are you doing this? Well, hey guys, it's Trevor Fitzgerald. Sonic Shadow, whoa, whoa. That one's for you, Keed. I was also told that you like corn and beans. Care to explain? Anyway, so I guess that's it. So on a further note, happy birthday to Keed. I know it was last Friday, but I hope I made it special. From the Krungles. Now check out this beat.